Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through our WhatsApp number, which is mentioned on the YouTube videos. So we are looking into real exam questions. So let's do the next one is the Abbey Gardens to Yeoman's Row. Right, so what we can see here, we've got again 2 points, the green one and the red one. So we always start from green point and move towards the red point. Here you can see that the red point is on the screen. You can see that at the towards the bottom of the screen. So that means we need to go take a route that will go down towards the red point. So that's how you plan. So whenever you open it, you see 2 points. We just need to kind of get the idea where exactly we need to move. So let's say if it's on the left side, then you know that you need to plan it to go towards the left side. If it's right, you go towards right. If it's on the top of the screen, then you need to go at the top. So remember, when you plan it, it needs to be straight route, quite simple route, and also try to avoid any of those sidelines as well. So let's get into this one. So when you zoom in, so we already know we need to go down, so we'll try to come out of this this street. So click on the green point, and then we just come out from this street. We can take this main road outside. So from here we'll turn left. Just try to avoid any of these sidelines, not to touch them, and stay on the left side because it's not a one way, and it's a good practice to stay on the left side of the road as well. So you keep on going down, like we know that where our red point is, where the destination is. So carry on moving down, and then we'll see here once we move towards the A5 where it says. So you can see here we've got a flyover here, right? So we are not on top of flyover, so you need to ignore this where it says Marylebone flyover, so we can carry on going down, right? So that's not a worry that we are going through this because we are not on the flyover. So we'll carry on this, keep going straight from here, once again avoiding these sidelines because you will fail your test if you touch any of those lines. So we'll carry on going down. Yeah, carry on going down. We can zoom out a bit here once again to see where our point is. So yeah, so that is the right route that we have taken. So from here it's a small roundabout kind of thing, and you can follow these arrows as well. So just carry on going straight. So here you can see it's a one way, right? So we can go straight on that one. So we'll carry on again. Again, carry on. Yeah, keep going down here. And this is the Hyde Park corner. So here again, you've got these arrows that will help you to go around. So let's see where again our point is. So that's where the point is. So we can take the roundabout, just follow these this big arrow that you have and come out from here, and then we can turn left, and then from here we'll just carry on going straight, and then if we see where our point is, so yeah, so we can turn left from here, and you'll just keep on moving down towards our red point here. So we can now see the red point where exactly it is. To carry on going down there, and then it's on the left side. So just make sure you turn left and click on the red point. So let's have a look here now. So you can see looks very straight, simple. The way we moved from the green to red. The only thing was the flyover that we had. So some students they get confused because they think, okay, we are touching those lines, but basically that is the So that is the flyover. So we are not on the flyover. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.